Rita, and I'm a certified breath coach. Did you know that most of us are breathing backwards? In this video, I'm going to share a quick test to see if you are breathing backwards. We're going to talk about a visualization to understand how our diaphragm muscle works, and to teach you how to breathe diaphragmatically, as well as talk about a few ways that you can incorporate this into your daily life. It's important to be intentional about breath work so it's available when we need it in those stressful and anxious situations. It's been the #1 tool to help me manage my symptoms of anxiety and PTSD, and I know it can help you too. Now let's do that breathing test. Put one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. Take a big breath in through your nose. Which way did your chest and your belly move? If your chest moved up and out on the inhale, you're using your neck and chest muscles to breathe and not your diaphragm. Your diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle in your rib cage under your heart, and it's shaped like an umbrella. So when you breathe in, the umbrella or the muscle flattens, and when you breathe out, the umbrella contracts. In and out. So what this does is this creates more space in your lungs, or for your lungs to expand, more respiratory function, better memory, and better focus. So now let's practice a few rounds together. Now I'm going to lead you through a few rounds of breath work together. You might want to start by putting your hands on your belly to really visualize that diaphragm and feel that diaphragm moving up and down while you're just getting started. It's important to breathe through your nose. Your nose will provide 50% more resistance to the air, which gives you a naturally slowing down breath. So that's super important. Plus it traps dirty particles, so they go to your stomach instead of your lungs. So it's really important to breathe through your nose. So I'm going to lead you through 5 breaths. We're going to go in for a count of 4 and out for a count of 4. You focus on breathing diaphragmatically, and I will count you through it. Here we go. Inhale, belly rise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, belly rise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Inhale, belly rise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, belly fall. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job. I have another video where I just practiced. You can practice with me, so check that one out. So I want to talk now about how to incorporate diaphragmatic breathing into your daily life. One approach is to have set times. When you wake up, spend 3 to 5 minutes, maybe on your lunch hour, 3 to 5 minutes, and when you go to bed, 3 to 5 minutes. That's one approach. I have found for me that I fit it in the little transitions of my day. So before or after my morning walk, and throughout my yoga, when I do my yoga several times a week, as I transition throughout my day, on my commute, as I go to the printer at work, as I refill my water bottle, maybe I'm going to a meeting. So again, I like putting it in these little parts of my day, just a little bit at a time, and it builds on each other. Plus, I do something called meditative painting, where I do my breath work with meditation. I have videos on that. You can check that out too. But again, I think the important thing to remember is to practice this when you're not feeling stressed or anxious, because then you have it available as a tool when you are. When you're in a very panicked or stressful state, you're not thinking clearly, and if you haven't practiced, it's much harder. So I highly recommend making it a part of your daily routine. If you have ideas on that, leave them in the comments below. Please like this video because we want more people to learn about this, because it's such a great tool. And you can also check out another video that I have called Ocean Breathing. It adds a whole nother layer onto diaphragmatic breath, and it allows you to extend your exhale, and it's highly effective, and I do it every day with my diaphragmatic breathing, so check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.